We are back about 10 minutes before schedule. Tiny bit of free time, so just let's get people jumping in. Not in any trade at the moment. Who's the first one in? Say hello. Oh, just jumped off. Let you guys come in steadily and surely. CPA's pushing just as we chat, making new highs. Yo, say hello and say where you're from, just so I can try and learn names and learn people as we go. Yo, say hello, guys. Say hello. You guys can hear okay and stuff. You guys are jumping in now. Quite a few on Periscope, more and a few on YouTube as well. George, what up? Almanza, what up, bro? Hey, okay, here we go. Deep Zen, hello, brother. How's it going? Kevin, yo, bro, how's it going? Almanza's jumping in on Periscope. What up, bro? Kevin from South California. West Coast gangster, brother. Nate Diaz, I love that guy. Wagwan, man. Wagwan, brother. Wagwan, brother. Wagwan. Wagwan, brother. When are you coming to America, mate? I don't know, mate. I'm still at my advertising agency now, and it's busy, but pretty much done working now. I don't think there's anything going to come up. I've got an advertising shoot on Saturday and an advertising shoot on Tuesday, and then a massive above the line advertising pitch. So it's fucking advertising's insane, but making money, saving, got some good savings behind us now. So I'm saving up another 3, 4, 5 months, and then I'm gonna start. I've got a Trade Zero account where I keep on like flipping 600 into 5 grand. But I want to have a big account, like a $30,000 account as well. So I'm just getting to that point. YouTube Live as well. Yeah, dude, I'm on YouTube Live as well. I think it's easier, dude, if you want to jump onto YouTube. I just go on Twitter because people find us. Yebo. Aaron, yeah, you on the phone, not on the laptop. Okay, that's cool, bro. It's cool, bro. What up? What up, Andre? Morning favorite trader. Cheers, Titty. Rob Balls from Derby. All right, guys, let's LAN. Okay. Oh. All right, so I'll just put my screen on 1 sec before I do it. I'm just gonna make sure I'm just logging into my trade in the platform. I've got $900 exactly. I started my small account with like 720. So I'm up a couple of hundred on the small account since I withdrew the 3,000. But honestly, I've had a few red days. It's not been really going any well. I used to put music on while trading. Now I can hear your beautiful voice. Thank you, Days. Don't want to close my eyes. Don't want to fall asleep because I miss you, babe. And I don't want to miss them. Wagwan. All right, people coming in. Good morning, Rebel Scrum. We'll just do like the basic roundup today. It's going to look at what's running, why it should be running, look at the news, look at the float, look at the revenue, stuff like that. I mean, first of all, let's look at the SPY. I think I'll be off in 40 minutes. Like SPY's gapping down, which is a good sign for shorts. But I mean, it's generally been making all-time highs again. CPA is the big runner today. It's a bit of a, I mean, it's 30 minutes before the market open. It's in the area where I can use leverage, but the only thing is it's a fucking 350,000 float and it's traded 350,000. Every time it pushes, it fails. Like it pushed on 12 million, failed. Pushed on 6 million, failed. Like you've got to look at the volume days. Let's make sure you can see the shit. Oh shit, sorry guys. 1 sec. So sorry. Okay, now you guys can see. So CPA pushed on volume, failed. Pushed on volume, failed. Pushed on volume this time and it ran, but then it's like this is a short because it fails every time it pushes, even on high significant volume. No, maybe it's not. So if you look at the news, hang on, let's go on CPEH. It's got to deal with Vodafone, it says. So that is not a short, that's a long. CPEH. So no, that's Citigroup, motherfuckers. CPEH. Okay, Counterpath. It's a top percent gainer. It's pushing on volume. It's a 500,000 float. It is losing money. Revenue's up, but its earnings are 5 million down. I'm more curious about this deal. So this is a good deal. It's a decent long. So Vodafone Fiji selects Counterpath mobile and Strata platform solutions to offer secure, reliable. Wow. Vodafone Fiji. I mean, it's fucking Fiji, like, but selects Counterpath. Wow. So Counterpath must be like it's a 5-year deal with Vodafone. Jesus Christ. So Counterpath must be a technology that is used for voice calling. So it's good news. The volume is already more than the float. This is the type of stock that if it starts pushing above like the 312s, 313s, you're going to get a leg up of like 20, 30 cents. I just tend not to break rules. Like you see the ask getting hit now, there's a good chance that you should get the, I can't see this not having a leg up because normally you'll get one leg up, stop, and then you'll get a third, and then maybe it'll tail. But this news coming out half an hour before the market open, it's got Vodafone in the headline. Yeah, watch this. There's the 310, there's the 311. If you can long at 314, I think you've got at least 330, 325, 330, 335 before it pulls back. Just out of curiosity, let's see if it does. Yeah, yes, 314, 315, 316, 317. You'll have some idiots showing this as well. 318, 320. Yeah, there you go. It's very simple. I mean, it's a former runner. It's a low float. It's got Vodafone in the headline. It's a 5-year deal. It's going to run on some big volume today. CPA's like, it's kind of a no-brainer, but I don't go long. So that's obviously the runner of today, and it's one that I'll be avoiding. APT. APT I kind of like short, but the company has earnings because like it's 8 million float. It's traded 1.8. So like a lot of the float, you'd think a lot of the float are kind of underwater. Can't obviously hold its highs. It's on its backside of the move. APT. Let's check the news. Because I mean, it's like it's a bit out of frustration, but there's been nothing for days. But it annoys us that APT loses money. Shit. What's this stock? Nah, fuck this. All right, I'm going for this. 1 sec, I'm stop sharing just so I can call me broker. Let's do this. I didn't realize that it had negative earnings. Fuck. Okay, let's just take 200 short. And then I can figure out the rest in a second. APT. This is a short sell. I'm not getting filled just immediately. I think did I get filled? No, still didn't get filled. I just need to check a couple of things. Oh man, how are you? What's going on? Okay, so I can borrow 500, and I've got an order on at 610, but it's just froze for some reason. Hang on, let's put 608 short. It's good that you guys are getting the. I have to get filled at 608 APT, 610. Just not. I have to get filled by APT. Oh my god, it's dropping so fast now. I'm missing it, man. How can I not get filled ever? There you go, I got it. Jesus Christ, that was hard. I got 606. Okay. And then I'll take the rest at 626, 200, and the last 100 I'll have at like 631. Okay, so APT looks pretty good. I'm just going to get off me broker now, and I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. So let's go back on share screen. Sorry, I just had to put some orders in. So I just spotted APT. I might have reacted a bit fast, and if I have, I'll get out. But basically, APT, it's popped up, washed out, popped up again. So I'm kind of getting it on the second bounce. I'm in short from 608. I'm risking off the 640s, higher day. The volume is 1.6 million so far. It's float 8. But by the price action, it's not moving with particular volatility, although it can have these like green pushes up. The overall long-term chart is nice. It's had some news, it's broke out, but it hasn't been able to sustain that breakout. Generally is a pattern. This is like the penny stocking framework pattern. But I just want to go back further before I look at this, because I'm working this out in real time. Company doesn't look bad. The long-term chart's not really that bad, honestly. It's been a steady $4 stock for the last 5 years. It's had a multi-year breakout, ramped up, give it back, popped, give it back. Now it's popping back up. So I'm guessing that this push, when it was down in the 4s, now it's in the 6s. I'm guessing that I don't like that it's like multi-year highs and ran and then dropped, and now it's like popping back up. But I think this is a bounce, and I think that if it's an 8 million float and all of the volume was around these days, I think as long as it doesn't get too much volume, you should see selling at the open, because a lot of people are stuck in these prices. So you should see some selling at the open. I might be wrong. It's not my favorite short, but when you look at the earnings, the fact that it actually loses a shitload of money. It had a pretty bad year last year, and I just want to see what originally pushed it up. Hang on, I'll be back. I need to go to the toilet. Okay, you guys can hear? It's okay. Hello, hello, hello. Yo, you can still hear? 1 1 1 1. Still here? Yes. So you can still hear. 1 1 1. Hello. You guys can hear? Yeah. Okay. Let me just check the audio is okay. There's not much in the market. If you guys want to shout some tickers out while we wait, I'm more than happy to do so. I'm just looking at why this was up in the first place. There's no news on. I'm looking at the wrong stock. Fuck. It's APT, man. Fuck. Fuck. It's looking at the wrong stock. Fuck. I thought it had profitable earnings. Fuck. Yeah, this is a profitable company. It made 3 mil. And it's a coronavirus play. Fuck. And it's just released more news. Fuck. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play this with a way tighter risk. This is a profitable company, and it's tied to coronavirus news. Typed in the wrong ticker, but CPA's still running. There's still people underwater. It's going to be like a coin flip. I probably wouldn't have took this trade. I wouldn't have took this trade if I didn't type the wrong thing in. But I've paid for the borrows. I'll see what happens. But if this starts spiking towards the open, I'll just get out. It'll be luck more than skill if I win on this. And if I lose, I'll just take it tight. MRC. So not the finest hour trading, but I typed in the wrong ticker on Yahoo. I didn't realize it was a profitable company. But we'll see. I mean, it's up on bullshit news. I think the coronavirus news is still bullshit. But so the chart, I don't like the chart that it's very mixed. It's very mixed. If I win this, I win this. But if it starts spiking above the 620s, I'll likely be out. I'm just not risking more than 10 cents, which I'm not risking more than a couple of percent on this because it's just luck. I misread Yahoo, if I'm being totally honest. And the long-term chart isn't that bad either. It was just at 52-week highs. It's AMEX, which is a scummy index, but yeah, this will be luck if I win. But I've had bad luck in trading. If I have good luck, that's good. But I mean, I don't think if this holds, I'll be holding it at the open. I'll come out of it pre-market. Might hold 100 shares, but I don't think I'll probably, if this doesn't break down before the open, I'll be out. And if it doesn't, if it spikes at the open, if it spikes before the open, I'll be out. I've made a mistake, yeah, so I'm just playing it super, super, super safe. Trey, rule of the chat, don't give us any advice because 96, 97% of traders lose. I'm not one of them. Just probability says that the people in this room are, and you might be too. So I appreciate the advice, but please don't comment on a position. CPA was what I thought was a long. Let's take a quick look at it. It's not holding well. It's popped up there a bit. Might have a second leg. I don't like longs. HDAL is 30,000 volume. MRC is not up enough. We'll have a quick look at MRC. MRC is not up enough, but it's a bad long-term chart, but it's a high float and low volume in respect. So it's just not it's not a trade I'm probably going to take. I'm just going to switch to stocks to trade now, guys, because we're getting like closer to the market open. So all you'll see is the stocks to trade feed. Mask orders, virus news. Coronavirus is still very real, and I think it's the worst is yet to come with that. I've already seen this. What are you risking? Not a lot, dude. If it shows any signs of any bullish signs, I'm out. If it stays the same, I'm out. And so basically, the only way I'm staying in is if it goes red. If I go down on it, like I'm flat on it now. If I go down in any way, I'm out. But coronavirus news is like not legit. Do you know what I mean? What the fuck was I even shorting? Hang on, I can actually look at me broker now. Okay. I was short APT. Let's have a look at it. So I'm short APT pretty much from 609, 610, I think. But it's definitely on the back end of its move. But I mean, not that I'm justifying it in any way, but you've got the breakout. It's ripped up. You've had the leg down. Normally you get like 3 waves of this. So that's wave 1. Then you've had wave 2. And then it's come down. Then this gap up is wave 3, which should ultimately fail. Because like even though it's trying to push up news, it's just not legit. You never know. You never know. But I'm not down on the position. So I'm expecting that if the news isn't that good or people are more interested in CPA, it'll start cracking, which it is now. So it might be fortunate that I misread the news, but I'll not be holding for very big gains here because I'm in the trade for the wrong reasons. But you've definitely got this kind of wedge here. It's just where it goes on the wedge. But don't get us wrong. Don't follow us into this trade. It's not a good trade. I'll probably just, like, if it breaks 580s, it'll be more luck than skill. but I'll take the profits. I'll take the profits because my account's 900. I need to get it over 1,000, so wouldn't mind getting a bit of luck to get it over 1,000. It's now else out there, brothers and sisters. I'm sorry, this market's quiet. CBLI is that like Chinese stock, isn't it? What is it? CBLI. CBLI is another little low floater. Popped up, bounced, popped up. Looks like it's fallen through support, but I don't want to chase it after the weakness. Obviously, that's gapped up a bit. This might bounce and run a little bit, but it's not my thing. It's mid range. There's nothing, man. Market's dead. Market is dead. I was short AIM the other day trying to chase it down here. Fucking fell apart. It's gapping up today though. AIM is the potential short on the 150s. It's like, watch, I'll show you the line. Like AIM is now like failed 151, then it failed here, then here, then here, then here, then here. So it's failed in this 150s area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So you can 7 almost arguably here. So you can probably bet that it's going to try it one more time. And if it fails there, you've got a very good risk reward shorting like 152, 154, like cutting obviously 160s. But then if it fails, you've got the downside of like 116. So you've got risking 10 cents for 40 cents. So it's a nice risk reward trade AIM. I'll keep AIM on. But otherwise we'll just have to see. AIM is definitely it, but there's not a lot of money in the short trade, but like it's because for me, I'm only $1,000. I can only get leverage on stocks above $3. So suggest tickers do it. I'm up on my position of APT, but I don't know if I'd be in it at the market open unless it seriously falls. And if it does fall, I'll probably take the wash because it's not a good trade. And if it starts being volatile, I'll cut it really tight because it's a coin flip. So the only way to win a coin flip is to have the right risk reward on the coin flip. If you guys want to suggest some tickers, you're more than welcome to suggest them. What do you think about the NE? Is still a run up? NE is that little gradual gainer, right? Let's have a look. NE. Yeah, I was saying to you guys that I liked it because when it pops with the most volume it's traded in a while from this kind of base, I mean, he has a green day and a red day. But yeah, like it had multiple green days in a row and it had a really good run. But again, like I don't know the news or why it's up. So it's not easy to say. But like, and I don't like that either. I don't like it came all the way up and then gave it all the way back. I mean, if it breaks the 110 level and then it breaks out and then it continues to hold 110 and it consolidates for a while, like say it holds 110 till around 10 a.m. and then it pops, then you can buy 110, risk 19, 18, 17 and see if it does go on a few day run, but it's not really a long right now. It's okay, Trey. Sun guns out. They go ticker. CODX. There's a 424 build. Really? So CODX has got an offering. Let's see when the offering came out. Yeah, but dude, it's got to have an effect form, no? Or it's got to have a. You correct me if I'm wrong, but doesn't it have to have an effect form or something? Like an S1 or an S3? I don't see an S1 or an S3. The 424 B5's come out, but that was the 12th of Feb. I thought you needed to release something before it happens, but I mean, it's another Corona. I mean, I suppose you could be shorting that in the 360s. At least that's got dilution on around the corner. This is CODX is it's up less. Like what's this up? This one's up 28. That one's up 13. This one's got dilution, but I don't think they've enabled the dilution yet. They're both coronavirus. This one's got a higher float, less volume. But I don't disagree with you, Square. I think probably let's leave CODX and APT on and see how they both play out, and then if CODX starts to fail, Vince just text us. Where you at? Top floor trading. Yes, I want a pint. Roscoe CDX. Dude, Roscoe, they haven't done the effect form, man. They haven't done the form 4. I know you're saying 424B, 3 million shares, but you've got to do an S1 or an S3, man. Are they can't dilute the shares? Tell me if I'm wrong, but I think I'm right. But CODX, I'll watch those shares, brother. APT is recently a 13G for. I'm out of APT if it doesn't break down soon. I made a mistake. INO, SEPA. All right, we need to keep CODX on, so that'll be a good watch. INO, it's definitely not a short, it's down too much. SEPA. SEPA, too low a float, too high volume, too risky. And it's got a 5-year. SEPA's got a fucking 5-year deal with Vodafone, you nutters, and it's 300,000 float. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yeah, it had a great first green day. 4 to 8. Nice first red day. Very nice first red day, but very nice first red day. I think it's short into the 760s, 770s isn't bad, but again, I don't know the news, but it's definitely a very good first red day pattern. Like that a lot. Hang on. Oh, because some of these tickers are actually quite good. I didn't realize that shit like that was running. So Can is definitely one. CODX is definitely one. The one that I'm in, APT, that I'm just up a little bit on, is definitely one to watch. What else were you fucker saying? Gluck, I don't think it's a ticker. I think it's Roscoe saying good luck. Yeah. All right, say, bro. Yeah, APT is a dodgy one. I know, dude. I'm playing very, very conservatively on this. I'll probably try and jump in CODX or Can. CODX or Can are the best shorts. Can is Bitcoin play. Is it? I thought it was a weed stock. I still don't care though. The volume and the chart are what I look at. I don't. I'll check out the news in a bit. I'll just play based on price action. APT is showing signs of breaking down. Does this? Yeah. I'm just trying to fucking hell. I just want to know how much it can break down. So I'm just going to check the long-term chart. It has red days of like 7 to 580. So that's like a 15% drop. That's like a 6. Yeah, I don't think it's going to give back loads. You might get like the 580s. I mean, I'll put covers in. I'll put covers in to try and get the wash. Like 580, 582. How much did I pay for this shares? $10, $12. CODX potentially looking like the better, even though that the warrants might not be in. It's not up as much though. That's the thing. It's got less room to fall. I don't think anything's good. I think APT, if it breaks down, is like decent, but it's a coin flip whether it breaks down or not. Probably better off just quitting now, playing it safe and going for a pint. Let's see what my mate's in. Class. This bid's going off at 606, which is good. I really want to see like a breakdown, so a lot of the longs are underwater. Looks like it's getting heavy. That's one. I mean, this 590 line will probably get defended, and you've got the next line is like 606. It's falling through the 606. That's why there's so much support, because there's quite a bit of, you've got all the bottoms here at 606, then you've got these bottoms across here. Obviously, whatever the news is with coronavirus, it doesn't look too believable, because although it's up, no one's really too excited about it. And you can say the same with CODX. It's popped up, but no one's really too excited. They're both coronavirus plays, they're both kind of failing. So the coronavirus news and cycle obviously doesn't look like it's on fire right now. It's had its kind of day when APT was pushing the sevens. I've got it covering to play it safe at 582. So it's only 25 cents away. But then if it does continue to fall, I'll look to try and like add in more. Because I think this is going down. CODX is going down. If it breaks 6, I think we're quite comfortable. So like, I mean, the moral of the story is, I mean, we don't know what's going to happen yet, but the moral of the story is like, you can take like average setups. Like normally I try and take good setups, but the market's just not been given any. You can take average setups, but you've got to really cut them tight and really like be prepared to lose and only take the best risk reward and be in and out for quick trade. Calls long APT. He's watching to sell at 650. Good luck, mate. I would not want to be on that side of the trade, the way it's looking pre-market and the way in the other coronavirus CODX play is looking and the way that the overall market's looking. But you never know. Best of luck to you, mate. If it starts flushing 6 before the market opens, there's going to be a wash. I mean, let's just say I'm like, if there's any volatility in this or it's got any momentum, I'll be straight out. If this is not a short, I'll be averaging into. I'd like to see the 601s fail. Yeah, if 6 goes here, it's in real trouble. See what the SPY is doing just in general. It's a coin flip. It's not a coin flip. I think it's more likely to fail than run at this point. CPA is the top leader. Overall markets are down. Coronavirus, I think, is not so prominent as it was. It's kind of flagging and looking to fail 6 before the market opens. The only positive sides are the fact that the company makes money and it's previously ran. More bearish than bullish, but I'll be looking for a wash. If it spikes, I'm getting out even a little bit, unless it fails at 6 first. It's failing 6. We've just saw the 158 prints. This looks good. I'm still getting out at 582 though. And then I'll take it from there. But I mean, it'll be a nice little earner. CODX is really washing out heavy, so it seems just the market in general is doing this. Is that the market open? Yeah, I'm out already. That was fast. Straight wash to 577. Jesus Christ. Oh, could have got more money on that than I thought. Oh my God. Look at that wash. Jesus, that's bad. Jesus Christ, that's bad. I made $50. No biggie. It's really, really. I could have made 100. So now it's just a case of trying to like build back in and catch the next wave down. But I'm not going to be too aggressive because obviously it's a fucking scary stock. So I've got one short in there. Let's hope it doesn't go red to green. I got filled 200 at 581. And I'll look to just get out at like 565, 567. Let's cover that. So I now only need 10 cents and I've got it. Just one little leg down, bid's getting hit. Nope, pushing back up, 80s. The volume's not really heavy, 400,000 is not a lot. Just shorted another 200. I'm just being a bit cheeky there. See if I can get it off at 563. Being naughty there, I shouldn't be doing this. So the gambling instinct in us. But it looks weak. There you go, I'm out. Out 200, I've got 200 left. 563 is the cover. 567. 567, 68. Come on, gives $100. Stock's very weak. What's CODX doing? Oh, CODX is bouncing as well. Oh, APT is bouncing. Wait. Shit. This starts bouncing, I'm getting out. Fuck that. I'm just out. I'm getting too scared. Was CODX popping a bit? Yeah, like CODX is the other coronavirus and it just pops. APT looks like it could go red green. It's got earnings. I'm crediting me shares and I'm not trusting this anymore. Get rid of these shares. So I made $70. Oh, I just got credits for my shares as well. Nice. So I got money back. That's good. So I don't have the borrows anymore. So it's $70, but this company's profitable. I just saw CODX bounce, but it's just dropped again. But APT's like a scary one because it's actually a profitable company. Nah, I could have had the 100 maybe, but I'm not risking it. I'm playing it safe. Nah, I played it too safe. That's a shame. I could have made $100. And that's the problem with me. Like I went in the 400 thinking, oh, go on, just risk it. It's really weak. And then when I popped up just a little bit, freaked myself out, and I could have instead been less aggressive, gotten out at a better position. And then when it washes now, I'm so much more comfortable to take the short, which is inevitably going to fail now. But like the reality is that I'll jump on and look at some other stuff, but I just want to talk about this quickly. APT is a profitable company, and it's just run to all-time highs. Like I'm not risking a green day on this thing. I'm just not. So it was a risky trade. I made me $70 on it. So on to the next. CDX, crap. What are you guys looking at? CPA. Let's see what it's. CPA was. I like the look of CPA. If I can get the. No, CPA is the 300,000 float, guys. I'm not trading at 300,000. It's a bit. Can I get borrows? It's $20 for the borrows. And I'm chasing it because it's gone from the 3. It's already dropped 50 cents and it's $20 for the borrows. The old me would. The old me would. Thinking it's just going to fill the gap down to 255s. But there's nothing to stop this bouncing off 3 and then coming back up. Didn't. Hang on a sec. See what it does. It's got support here on the 295s as well. CPA could still be a long to me. It's the volume's so high. This could be a long. I mean, there you go. Look at it. Look at the rejection. See what happens here because it bounced there. 302s. Just see what happens because if it starts turning, it's a good long, but it has to turn. Like if it breaks 295, everyone's fucked. But if it turns and starts going above this 308 level, it's a long. It's a tiny float. The volume's massive. It's got a history of running big fall. It's a multi-week breakout over here. Just hold on here. See what's happening here. I'm just going 100 long for fun. And if it fails, I'll just get out. I'm 90 cents down. $1 down. I'm doing this more for yous than me. But I'm buying, like it'll probably fail, but I'm buying off such a tight stop that I'm not really going to lose much money. But if it turns, it's going to rip. So I'm flat now, I'm up. I'm down $1. Look, 305. If it breaks through 305, it's going to rip. 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310. Squeeze. Thank you very much. It's got to go though. It's got to go. I'll see if I can add another 100 in at like 306 long, just to, because like I'm up anyway. Yeah, this thing's probably gonna go. I'll sell at 322 just to like. I'll sell at 319. I'm not really bothered about catching some crazy squeeze. So there you go. I'm out. That was a nice little trade. So I made an extra like $15 off however many shares. I only took $100, but I bought it at 302. That's failed. Let's see, this is why you don't hold on to them. I bought it at 302 and I got out at 319. So I took like 5% in a couple of seconds there. So that was good. What did I'll just check my closed orders. I got 303 to 319, $15 for 100 shares. Oh my God, what a fake out that was. Can't trust these pieces of shit. It faked everyone out long, and then it faked everyone out. It faked everyone out short, and it faked everyone out long. Fucking low floats, eh? What you gotta do. All right, let's read some comments and stuff, and then I'm gonna bounce. I've made how much money today? I'm only on a $900 account, and I made $83. So I'm just under $1,000. Let's just see if there's anything else that's gonna get us over. CODX. CODX. It's not up enough to be a good short. CPA, just fuck shorts and fuck longs. So I'm not interested in it. EXTN. Wow, look at EXTN. Nice first. It just looks weird. APT, mistraded that. I could have been over 100 on APT alone. But yeah, I missed that next wash, but I was too scared because it's a profitable company. I don't regret that. Right, and the rest are rubbish. So let's take some questions and take us, guys. Then I'm bouncing. I'm very, very, very pleased to keep the stream under an hour, to make the profits, to build me account over the 100 and then be bouncing. Let's try and answer some questions and take us. Yeah, call that 650 APT. I hope you didn't lose money. That wasn't good. To go short. Okay, good idea. Even so, it's risky, but yeah, good idea. Good idea. Bitcoin to the moon. Fuck that. Not falling for that. Fell for that 2 years ago. It's going to be a good day. Let's go. Thanks, Milton. It's not a good day, not a bad day. I had 500 shares to short, and I only ever filled 200 of them because I was too scared. APT, please go to the line 8 for a short. Ding ding, Rebel Scum. Good call. Leroy says thank you. Khan is a gigantic float, indeed. CPA, thank you for the alert, Jeff. I thought you were alerting it short, but it took it long and it worked. But I mean, I was scalping because I could see. Let me just explain what I did there. So with oh god, APT's going back up a bit. With CPA, I'll show you why I went long. It's because when you've got the triple bottom, one bottom, and then this was the triple bottom, but this was the candle I bought on. So you had the bottom here, the bottom here. Hang on, let's mark it out. Let's actually mark it out for you properly. So with CPA, you've got, pretend this shit didn't happen. So let us go. I'll show you candle by candle what happened. So what basically happened is the market opened, spiked and failed. It's 355,000 float. It's traded 6 million, so it's traded 12 times its float. It bottoms once here, pops up, bottoms twice here, right? And then I got interested on this candle because it bottomed once, and then when it bottomed twice, look at the wick. It got bought right back up. It got bought right back up off that base. And then when it dropped here, that wick got bought right back up. So I thought, if this has another green candle, I'm going to go long. And so as this candle opened, or maybe just before, as I saw this get, I can't remember exactly what I did, but as this got bought up, and as this went green, or just before it went green, I bought at 302, knowing that bounced, higher low, wick got bought up, shorts are going to cover, longs are going to try it. Bought at 302. I didn't want to, I was tempted to go for 340, but I thought, don't bother, because you know that this low flow can be volatile, and just take the quick panic of the shorts covering and the longs going long. And then you got this push to, I took 319, I could have got 324, but take the meat of the move. And then it just slammed, and that's just the way it is. It's still not over, it's still not dead. But even if I'd and the point of the trade was it could have failed. But even now, right, say I bought that at 302, it's 296, I lost, even now, 10 minutes later, I lost 8 cents, but it actually worked out and I made 18 cents. So it's 3-to-1 risk reward. And I give it loads of time. So that's just to explain CPA to you, so you guys can learn and take something away and grow as individual humans, just like me. Good trade, thanks. Nice trade, thanks. I love to show you guys shit live. I don't know, you talk, that's 634. So there's loads more comments. This trade was the other trade that I took. Love the podcast, Cheers, James. I have a podcast too. Shout it out, bro. I'll shout it out for you. Just started listening to you from episode 1. Watch me YouTube as well. Hi guys, slap like. Everyone in this room now watching on YouTube, slap like and leave a comment, because the more engagement and stuff, YouTube will recognize it. I trade with TradeZero to get the shorts, the borrows. There's a referral link. I've learned from Tim Sykes. There's a referral link. Slap like if you want to donate because you like the content. One of you motherfuckers donates every day. It ranges between $10 and $100. So if you want to donate. But if you don't want to donate, just slap like and leave a comment at least. WORX. Let's have a look. I don't like that it had a green day, then it pulled back, then it had another green day. It's too volatile for me, and the chart looks weird. Your knowledge has improved a ton, Ed said. Thanks, mate. Way to trade like a robot in and out, stay disciplined. Cheers, Jared. You obviously watched the podcast because I was talking about trading like a robot. How much did he make? He said, I'm up like $80. So I'm on the cusp. Like I went from I turned 700 into 4,000, with through 3,000. Now with I turned 700 into 600 into a lot. I turned 600 into 5 grand. Then I took like 1,000 loss. So I withdrew. And then since I withdrew 3,000 profit. And then now I've turned 700 into just under 1,000. So I've grew my account 50% basically, but it's been hard. It took a lot of red days. February's been slow, really hard. Appreciate you, Playboy. Been following your journey for a number of years at this point, and I've gained a lot of knowledge. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, Matt. Platform, can I use the short TradeZero? The referral links in my bio is 700. Yeah, dude, I started with $600 account on TradeZero. Okay, let's just see if anything else is running because I'm a bit addicted today. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. For sure. I'll be back tomorrow. What was that first red day? Was it Khan? Hey, dude. Wow, look at Khan. That's why you've got to be careful, Sean. Look at Khan. First red day. Bitcoin. Trades weirdly, man. Look at that rip from 4 to 8. Khan's not a bad short in the 780s. You could take a starter at the 7s and then go like full size in the 780s. I'd expect, I mean, if you look, I don't care if it's Bitcoin or not. Dude, but where's its history? This isn't Khan the old, this is a different play. All right, no, scrap that. Scrap that. I don't know. I thought this was the weed Khan. No, this is like weird and reckless and rips. I'd be too scared to trade this in case it goes green. I mean, yeah, it's probably gonna. I just don't know. It's too weird. It's not what I'm used to seeing. Look at AIM. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the fuck? Oh, dude, this was the triple top that we're talking about, no? But it didn't, you were meant to be shorting off the 150s. That's an offer, no? How's it done that? That's horrendous. Oh my God. That's just, has it even got SEC filings? I don't see any immediate dilution. That is unbelievable. Is the bad news out on that? Yeah, I mean, like, the thing is though, like, if you've got a bigger account and you can get the shares, obviously, like, shorting against the previous day and holding overnight, and then you bank loads, but that's fucking 20% in a couple of minutes. It's crazy. So I'm just checking one more time what money I made. Made $83. Got no shares left. So I took a long on CPA and the short on APT. 2 to 2, $83 profit. No active trades. Closing down. Peace, guys. I'm gonna meet my mates and have a pint, and then I might go for a massage because my neck hurts, and then do some meditation tomorrow. And what else am I doing tomorrow? I'm playing golf tomorrow. But I'll play golf, have a couple of pints, and then I'll come in. I'll be back on live stream with you guys tomorrow. So peace. Hopefully we'll have someone on for an interview as well. Some good steady trade episodes coming out as well. We've got a huge backlog. Excited for this steady trade stuff. Drink one for me. Say bye, everyone. I just want to see how many people are engaged and how many people are in the background. Comment bye if you're watching. Slap like on YouTube as well. Bye, 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 bye. Good. Leon, we're delayed as always. Just texting some people. Yeah, you guys do say bye. Bye, 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 bye. Ah, bye, 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 bye. All right, guys, you are all engaged. Peace. See you on the dock site. See you guys tomorrow.